Welcome friends, in this video we are going to learn how to solve week 4 quiz and assignment solution in C++. So let's start it. In programming in Java in week 4 assignment there is given the quiz that is has include std has include iostream using space namespace std and it is my class. So now I have typed in my code editor. So here there is a 4 option. In 4 option what will be matched in this line so it will run properly. So I have typed all these things. At first remember only for two things, only for mutable int x and int mutable x. For two things it will run, means A and B are the options. So I will show you. At first I have just uncommented and I want to run it. See, without any error it will run. Okay, now I will just it's comment at it and now I will it is uncommented. So after running you will see the output also. Okay, see here the spelling will be mutable. Then I will give L and then I want to run it. Then after running you can see that it will run successfully. And for after commenting int mutable and then I will for constant and volatile int it will be error. Okay, now we will see it is error. Then I want to uncomment it and will uncomment the volatile int. Then I will run it. You can see here for the both things 1 and 2 it will be the error. For mutable int and int mutable it will give correct output. So for one question it will be A and B, and we will go to the second question. Here I will show you with running, and you can see here the static int because I have passed here 5 and I want to change it because it is as it is static int, we can't change it. Whenever we will run we will get a error. You can see here so it is means it is compile error. Then it will here happen it answer 2D. Okay, now for 3 it has been said to us that we have to fill up the line 1. In this line 1 if we write only this option A it will run and other 3 line will be error. If you try to run in yourself you can run. I am just showing you the first one, it will only the correct one. So I have written the third program here. You can see this is our option, first option. If we try to run it then we will see it will successfully run. You can see here the output 2 plus 5i. And now we will discuss the fourth question. In this program you have to use, and for third one it will be the first option, and for 4 it will be the with scope resolution and it will be the answer C. Then we will see, because here you have to use this resolution operator, otherwise you can't access this test, and also you can't access this also A. So you have to use scope resolution operator, and for option the option will be C, and next 5 and it will be 11 will be the answer. And then we will just discuss it, because here in this main function we have it is created start is a type, object is created start t, and then it is get value is accessed by it as it is pointer using arrow it is accessed. Okay, now I will run it. You can see here the output 11, so it's the means that it is the output is 11. So A1 answer is the correct. So and the next program it is said that what will be the output and if it is error or not. You can see here the only here namespace n1, in the namespace it is x is initialized with 5, but in the main function it is initialized with 10. So whenever we will try to print x in this main function, then it will initialize with 10, not 5. So answer will be 10. Now we will run it. We can see the answer is 10. Now the next question, so answer C will be correct. And now next question, and after creating it is declared as a constant and we pass it 10. After passing it, we try to update it 5, because we have already using this constant, means it is 10, you can't change. After updating, you also can't change, and whenever you try to run this program, it will says that it is a compilation error. And then now I will run it. You can see here the compilation error. In question 8 number, it is created a class, and after it is declared as static int, and then it is using scope resolution outside the class, it is declared as 0. Then after that it is this program have created the B class, and in this public it is a scope resolution a small a, means this is accessed by here. So whenever we have to scope resolution it is used, so we have to write the friend class B. So friend class will be the right line, and it is the answer will be B, 8B. So now we try to run it. You can see the program here I have written here, and it is see the run successfully. Now next question. At first here created my class, it is a class, and in this body for the static int x and int y, and then it is declared public, and it is a constructor, you know it, and after using the scope resolution outside the class it is accessed x and it is initialized with 0. Then we have created an object m, and the type of object is my class, and we are trying to print the size of it. Then after declaring this cout written, it will print 4. Now we will see in code. Now I will run this code, and after running you can see here the 4 is the answer. So now we will solve the programming assignment. In this program, question 1, consider the following program, fill the blank at line 1 and line 2, because here we have to write the line 1 and line 2 code, then such that it will satisfy the given test, means this program is already previously created, and now we have to modify, and it will whenever we will submit it will run successfully or not. So here as include stdio function, and std is used for cout and cin, and then here it is created the print function. Print is used if x is equals to 1, then it will call the test1, and if it is not, it will call test2. And then int main function, we will take two input cin a and b, and you will store, and using this print we will print it. Now we have what we have to write, we have to write just 2 lines. Now I just want to clear it. Just write friend void print int and int. This parameter is 2 parameter because it is the we have passed the 2 parameters, that is type of int, and you have to use friend. You know the friend how to use it, and the same way just use here also. Now I will try to compile and run. After compile and run, you will see that it is compiled successfully. Actual input and actual input and status is passed, and now we will submit it. and you can see the after submitting it is also the test case passed. Now we will go to the question 2, number 2. In this question it is said that consider the following program, fill in the blanks, line 1 line 2 to overload the addition operator for the class position vector, and at line 2 and line 3 calculate the addition of two positive vectors such that it will satisfy the okay. We will see the has include IOStream and using name std, and in main function x1 y1 x2 y2 declare, and using scene we will give take input 4, and then we will pass using position vector, and after that we will add it, and then we to print, and then we have to write 3 lines. So this is the position vector p00, then we have to write here the and we have to write the position vector and then operator, and parameter will be constant, and it will be the called by reference, and then p dot x we have to write the x and c plus c dot x, and then py plus c dot y. Now we just write this p dot x and the fill up, and now we will compile and run it. Then I will compile it. You can see here the expected output and actual output status is same, and it is passed, and after submitting what it will see, we will see that. See here it is also passed. Now we will go to the third programming question. In question 3 it is said that consider the following program and fill in the blanks and line 1 and line 2 with the appropriate keywords such that it matches the given test case. So it is given has include IOStream and std, and the it is created and the student class, and it is the some instance variables, and it is the public, and here it is defined the student, and the main function we will see the string and then integer imu, and here the take this 4 input, and after that it is passed using student, and then it is update marks and then print. Now we will write this line. In this first dash we have to write the mutable, and then in the second we have to write constant, because here see this is the passed as a constant, and it is created the constant student, and now in this print function we have to just print it. Now just write mutable, and then here constant, and here also constant. Now we will try to compile and run. If it is successful or not, we will see it. See, this is passed, and also status is passed. Now we will submit it. See, after submitting is also passed. It means question 3 we have done successfully. Now we will go to the question number 4. In question 4, consider the below program, fill the blank in the line 1 and line 2 and line 3 by the instruction given in the comments such that it satisfies the given test. And here it is the IOStream and std, and here it create the database class, and then here some instance variables, and then the public it is created, and void show for printing purpose, and it is using the scope resolution and pointer. It is initialized in main function. It is created int x and y, and a database object is created which is the type of the pointer, and after that it is taken input x and y, and then it is passed it. Now we have to write these 3 lines. Here we have to write static, and in this public connect, and you have to write the static database star. See, we have created the static database and star db object. If it is not equals to null, then we have to write the db object equals to new database, and we have to pass it x. Now we will run it and compile, and after compile, if it is successful or not, see it is passed, and then I want to submit it. You can see it is passed. So we have done week 4 assignment quiz successfully. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe, and if you like this video and it is helpful for you, then just know us in comment section, and if you have any doubt, just ask me on Discord also. It is a Discord server where coding zone, we can ask any doubt here. Lot of programmer are present, they will try to solve it is as soon as possible. And you can see not only C++ only, Java, Python already have. I will give that description link from where we can join here. So see you in next video.